Okay, so this did come a few days ago. Right, I'm wearing my new hat, which, as you see, yeah, I have what I'm drinking. It's Yorkshire tea. It's hot Yorkshire tea. So, yeah, let's get to it. Oh, yeah. That's good tea. Okay, January 2026. Remember, workshop description. First box of 5 here. Okay, so first, for 1995, Lock Picking Cord. It's the standard one that we got a few times already. Honestly, I lost the one I had. Unless I didn't. Wait, is it in my Escape and Evasion kit? I have something in my Escape and Evasion kit. Yeah. My advice, before carrying these, I would get your lockpick license, or locksmith license. Yeah. Next is something that wasn't on my 2026 bingo card. For $9.95, the extra large spool tool. Yeah, and it does seem like it is. You can use it to, if you want to fish, I would do the middle one. If you want to just have this repair or whatever, bam. But yeah, you can do 3 things, like tape right here, and then like paracord, and like whatever type of wire or whatever. This one is a little bit more different. This one, you see it has like the E, and then the E. No, that. It does say Spool XL, and this will be used. Honestly, it's not going to be prepped. Honestly. So yeah. Next, we have the Flat Rock good old tip cord for $1.85. Yeah. This is post-apocalypse to me. So, yeah. Yeah, I've chosen not to do coffee right now. Oh, yeah. That's so delicious. Yorkshire tea is really high quality tea, by the way. I can tell. Then for $1.85, DIY Quick Compass. Oh, if you realize, that right there is a pot, and right there, I mean, you can't really see it. Not like right there. It's like a compass like type thing. That's pretty cool. So yeah, honestly, I actually like, because this is useful. This is always useful. I may actually wait. Do I have my? Oh, my wallet is over here. It's in here somewhere. And yes, this wallet is still going strong. The only thing is, this is but let's see if I can actually put. Yeah, I could put this on here. I could easily put this on here. I think. Yeah, I could easily put this on here. Well, unless I put quarters on it. Oh, I do recommend this wallet, though. The only thing is, if you have it like how I have it, it's going to be hard to get cards out. But I stuffed mine with, like, my insurance card and etc. So, yeah. I have this, but, like, it was like a other one. I don't know. Honestly, I don't feel ripped off, ever. I've never really felt ripped off Grim Workshop. Let's see what the discount is. Buy one, get one Arrowhead Roundabout tool. Use code at checkout. Honestly, I might do that. I might put it on my, I might actually put it on here. Like right here or whatever, because like it's, or like actually back here or something. No, I can put it somewhere. But yeah. Anyway. That's been Grim Workshop's subscription for January 2026. There won't be many videos. unless I come up with like a, I'm trying to not do as many videos, right? Because I'm pretty much known for subscriptions on this, but I do have a kit idea I want to do. I don't know where the bag went though. Oh wait, no. Actually, when I saw this, I had an idea for a 10 kit, which I have a 10 over somewhere. Right here. Yeah, these are decent mints. They have sorbitol in them, so don't, as you see, this fits perfectly. Don't worry, I'm working out the details in my mind. Yeah. Oh, this is actually really good with the tea, by the way. Yeah. Yeah, the Yorkshire tea actually costs like under 20 bucks, but there's 80 bags in it, so it's good. Oh, if you're wondering, it's these bags. It's these type of bags. One's out the string. But honestly, pretty good. Anyway, that's been the subscription for... No, did I just lose it? Really? Really? Did I just lose the... No, we're good. That's been the January 2026 Grim Workshop subscription. Yeah. I like. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let me see about this. What do you do with this? You know what? Let me compare the the reading size of this to my little Bible right here. I read this Bible every day. Yeah, about the same. I'm actually about to read Proverbs. I'm on Proverbs for that. And today I'm going to start Job in Extended Version. So yeah. And yeah, this is actually, it's not flexing when I do this, you know. Oh, they decided to do these cards again. Actually, I don't care because it's a spoil anyway, so it's like, this is nothing to me. So yeah, anyway. I always like getting these because I'm obsessed with lockpicks. Like, I'm obsessed with lockpicks, honestly. I actually found the better lockpick set I have with the locks and all that. I'm going to use the little clear lock, I'm gonna use that for something. Honestly. Oh yeah. Do I have to keep this in a cool, dry place? If so, I have to throw it away if I didn't. Jesus Christ, that's a lot of ingredients for... Yeah, I had Olive Garden last night. Well, soup and salad. But yeah, this has been the January 2026 Grim Workshop subscription. And honestly, hey, nice. I like. Last month, by the way, that thing has more rust on it, by the way. I'm gonna try to go to the store today to get some stuff to clean it. Oh, also, if you're wondering, yes, it does have... Oh. Some of these are actually made from cornstarch. Yeah, but don't start eating. Actually request a... Oh, I can't think what thing it is. But yeah, anyway. From the manufacturer of it. Anyway. Oh yeah. That is so good tea. Anyway, this is Postbox Bible. Hope you saw in the wasteland. God bless and peace. If God is for us, who will be against us? And do not allow yourself to become a spoil of war. God bless and peace. And remember, hate can actually harm you. Peace.